We are back, and I just healed up. So, no, when you want to get place to place, that's where roller skates do come in handy. We're gonna battle some people. Well, I just beat Viola. We're just gonna have to scratch this thing, because Ember's gonna do nothing. Okay. We both use scratch. Flareon! Choose Howl! Use Howl! Again! Oh my gosh! Fennekin just has the cutest little teeth! The cutest little teeth in the world! Okay, now let's scratch this thing, and it'll die. Yeah. It's gonna die. It died. Well, my attack is raised by 2 stages. I don't even need to tail with you. They never learn. I'm locked into Scratch. Scratch, the ultimate killing move. Scratch, the ultimate killing move. You might want to move at a time. Okay. See if we can find something we actually want to catch. Nah. 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 Unless it's shiny, I don't want one. I do want a shiny Azumarill. I don't want an Azumarill. No. Why? Do I have to kill you? Do I have to kill you? Here. Die. Now. Here. Die. Now. Oh, God. Yeah, okay. Good. We're good. Never mind. We're good. We're good. Fluff. 14. Flame charge? Already? Forget Tail. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Awesome. I'm correct. 2 more levels. Let's go gain some levels. I've heard these things give somewhat good experience. That's what I've heard. Okay. Let's try Flame Charge and see how it does. Does more than Scotch? Could have used that during the battle with Viola. And die. And die. And we all have a happy ending. Because Litleo died. Who are you? Who are like you? Ugh, dang it. Ooh, the EXP share. Let's give it to someone. All the Pokemon get all of them? Even if they don't appear? All of them? Excuse my pronunciation. It's Flabebe, whatever. Flabebe. A perfect witness. That's some flame charge. Ooh, we could catch this thing. Wait, no, we don't want to do anything to it anymore. Oh, okay. Wait, 19? I thought we had like 14. I thought we had 14.